Hey y'all. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how I make money or get gift cards playing these games I be talking about. So, matter of fact, let me go back out. So this one is Lucky Day. I have 4 apps on my phone for games. Okay, so y'all see in the right hand corner, that's all my coins that I have right now. And on the left hand corner, that's the money that I have. So once this um $7.75 get to $10, I can cash out and I'll get cash. It'll go directly into my PayPal account. Now these are the games. So I played all these. That's why it says enter more tickets, and I'm not paying for the tickets. So I just wait until later on today or the next day when it'll have the game so I can play the cards basically. And then once these coins get to a certain amount, I go over here and this way you can redeem your cash, but I'm not there yet to redeem cash. See how it says PayPal? You're almost there. Got it. So I gotta wait till I get to $10 to get to that. And now let me go back. Um this is my coins. So I clicked on the coins and this is the gift cards you can get. So once I get to, let me go to the lowest one if they have it. Sometimes the gift cards is not available. So you'll have to just wait and just keep on playing and get coins um to a higher amount so you can get your gift card. So right now, if I want it, I can get, well, it's sold out. The Dunkin' Donuts gift card is sold out, but I have enough coins to get it. So that would give me a $3 Dunkin' Donuts gift card, but it's sold out. So the next option would be let's see. I think I saw something for 5,000 because I'm almost at 5,000 coins. So this Target gift card is sold out as well. So if it wasn't sold out once I get to 5,000, well, not, I keep on saying 5,000, 5 million, I'm sorry. Um, 5 million tokens, I can get a $4 Target gift card. So wait 1 second. Let's see. I think that was the next lowest one. Let me go. Okay, so Amazon. So that's sold out as well. And that's how they get you. Like they'll want you to keep on playing so you can try to get higher and higher to get the highest one. Because if I want it, I can cash out here for that this one is 500. I'm not there yet at all. So let me go back down to the 5 millions and 4 million. Okay, so this one is 5 million. That was sold out. One was 5 million and 500. Let me see what that said. Is that sold out? That's sold out too. So those are all sold out, but y'all get the picture. If it wasn't sold out, let me try to go to one that might not be sold out. And what I don't like is it should say sold out on the outside. Usually it do on most of them, but as y'all see, and it doesn't say sold out on the outside, but it's sold out. But what I can do is I can favorite the ones, just click their heart, the ones that I did want to get. So I know I'm at 4,000, but I don't want that coffee. I like to get the 10,000 to get a movie gift card or Walmart, Old Navy. This is where I be getting my Old Navy gift cards from. That one's 7,000. Everything is sold out. Everything is sold out. So they just do not want me to show y'all. But I'm going to just heart one of them, which would be let's see which one we want to do. Let's do the Old Navy. This is the one I usually do. And it's not letting me heart it because it's sold out. Update favorite. Well, that one I can update and favorite. See, so say if I did have the tickets, the coins for it, I can go here. It'll say cash out or redeem. It'll say redeem, I believe. It'll say redeem. and then you can redeem it. Okay, that's enough of this game, but y'all get the picture. So then I have these games, Lucky Win. So I played all my cards here with this one. Yeah, I played all my cards. So all I need is 5 cents for this one. That's for my cash on the left hand side, $9.95. Once I get 5 more cents, it'll be $10 and I can cash out. This is how much coins I have for this one on the right hand side. As y'all can see, the time is going 2 hours and 15 minutes. I can get more cards. They start you out with 40 cards and you play them and you get your coins, or sometimes cash might pop up. So let me go to, and this is the Lucky Lotto. You get coins here or you can win cash. I never won cash through the Lucky Lotto, but I have won the coins, of course. And then this is your big wheel spin. I've won coins, not cash on here. I usually win the cash through the cards. And this is a lucky turn. So I usually win coins through here as well. So they're all basically the same. So the next one is this one, Lucky Money. So this one I only need 5 cents as well, as y'all can see. This one I'm at 8 million coins right now. So let's see. Okay, as y'all can see the egg. So I played it. Y'all see those coins? So all of those coins go in there. I won 10,000 coins and I won 2 raffle tickets. So I hit okay. And then my coins go in there. Adds up. Then I exit out. You can't play that egg again until 3 minutes. So next I have let's go to the raffle. This raffle, usually, since I won a raffle, it'll say reveal instead of saying enter tickets. When you enter tickets, you got to play your coins, but I'm not playing my coins. So once you get your tickets, once they let you get your tickets, it'll say reveal or play or something like that, because I won tickets for that. So this is the lotto. You pick your numbers. Those are the numbers I picked. I can repick if I want, but I'm not. And I got 3 hours and 13 minutes to see if I won. I usually just win coins for that. And then here's a spin. So let's spin and see what we get. The only thing I hate is these. Y'all see these ads?
Hi guys, I want to share something I just discovered on my phone. It's called Solitaire Cube.
I'm gonna mute that. I'm gonna go out of it because let me see if I can go out of it without interrupting the video. I can't. So we're just gonna let it go. Let the ad go. And once it go, it's going to give me a spin. So y'all can see. I didn't want the ad to come up though. Come on, move. I want to see if I can exit without stopping the video. So y'all, it stopped the video for me because I had to exit out. So y'all missed the again. So this is another ad. We're going to do a card. So we got 23 seconds, counting down. So that's the only thing I hate. But I mean, they're free games. You're getting coins. You're getting cash. You can redeem your coins for gift cards. Or even cash if you have enough coins, you can redeem it for cash, depending. So this might exit the video again. Let me see. I hope it doesn't. See, the little X icon is right next to my screen record. So I think it's going to exit it. I just found out something new. I can move the screen record little icon. So that's even better. Okay, so here's a card. That's how the cards work. I've earned 2 raffle tickets, so it's not ready yet. You can get out of that.
Hi guys, I want to share something I just discovered on my phone. It's called Solitaire Cube. It's a really cool game.
And I'm going to exit out of this one. I'm going to go to the Lucky Go. So Lucky Go, I used all my I played all my cards. So now I just gotta wait. That's the timer. I just gotta wait till they give me. You see, it says new cards will arrive in this amount of time. We will send you a notice. So now let's just go to a spin. So I got spins I can do.
No way.
But if I turn it down, is it gonna change my volume? All right, we got some seconds to go. I hope it doesn't affect my volume with y'all hearing me. I don't think it will, but all right, that's the only thing I hate is those darn ads. So this is my spin. Let's see what we win. Oh, that rhymes. So I got 1,000 coins, tokens. So it adds up. So on this game, all I need is 10 cents for my cash. Once I get to $10, I can cash out. And for my coins, once it get to 3 million, that's when I can figure out what I want to get. You can do 3 million. 3 million. Once you get to 3 million, you can get a $2 gift card, which that's the ones I usually do. As y'all can see, it says 0 left. It's sold out. So if I get the 5 million, I can get a $5 gift card sold out. 10 million, $10 gift card, they're all sold out. But they restock for you, but a lot of times they're sold out. So you just got to be patient. So the next is the lotto. I played my lotto numbers. I just got to wait in 3 hours to receive the winnings to see if I won or not. If I didn't win, they still give you coins. And this is all my raffles. I already played them. But that's basically how I get gift cards and money playing these games. The games are free. This video is not sponsored. I just want to show y'all how y'all can make some little extra money, kill time. I mean, what is going to hurt? You're killing time. You're getting gift cards. You're getting coins and money for them. So, I mean, what does it hurt? It doesn't hurt anything. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial on how I play these games, getting gift cards and money. I know y'all didn't ask for this video, but I figured I'll just throw it out there. Since we're dealing with all this stuff, this will keep like all the crazy stuff off y'all minds. Make some money, get some gift cards, and be on your merry way. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so y'all will know when all my videos will come out. Share this video so someone else can see how to make some extra money on the side for free. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. If y'all ever played these games, what games do y'all play? And until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Buy my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.